Junta with secret meeting to stop Mnangagwa to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina Van Papa Yendo is I am Rachiti. Mnangagwa's push for the 2030 agenda, a bid to extend his rule beyond his current term, has met resistance from within, particularly from military-backed Chwenka loyalists. This powerful junta reportedly met at a certain farm in Mashonaland Central this week and deliberated on a decisive move to stop President Mnangagwa once and for all. In quotes, you hear what credible war veterans like Blessed Kesa are saying. He is not hallucinating, he is communicating a message from the script, and you must listen to him carefully, said a close source to the group, adding that the junta was losing patience with Mnangagwa's consolidation of power. Mashonaland Central has always been the home of anti-Mnangagwa junta activities and a venue for political coup. While Mnangagwa has worked tirelessly to weaken Chwenka's influence, reports suggested that sections of military remain sympathetic to the vice presidency. This has fueled fears that any further sidelining of Chwenka and his allies would provoke a military response similar to the one that led to Mnangagwa's downfall. Thomas Warbuda Panabanyoko since Kumana wait a secret meeting kumashonaland vaida kustopa iti Mnangagwa once and for all. Vakomana vari kuno kunonzi aiwa vari loya kuna general pakuva ine vari kuno kunonzi vachamuka vari kuuya vachiti aiwa taneta hatisina patience aiwa nemukuru uyu. Todzi mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section yedu. Musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.